Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your mouse pointer keep filtering on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to control panel, search menu and type control panel. Click on open. You want to go to view by, you want to select large icons and want to go to mouse option. Now we want to go to pointer option. You want to button configuration, want to disable it, want to turn on click lock, click lock, you want to turn off this, and go to power option. You want to enhanced pointer precision, want to uncheck box here guys, and I want to use default over here, and I want to roll the wheel notch be 3 over here 2, and that's it guys. Apply and OK. Close out of here and I want to go to search menu. If you not get resolved guys, try this. Go to search menu and type cmd run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you want to type sfc space slash scannow, press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification based off system scan, this 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it guys. After finishing this 100%, go and restart your PC guys. If you get resolved, that's not problem. If you not get resolved guys, copy my second command of my video description and tap the bar, right click, edit, paste it, press enter. Troubleshooting through the hardware guys. Want to select advanced, apply repair automatically. Want to click on next. After finishing this, close the troubleshooter guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. That's it for today's video. You should good to go guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you. Thanks for watching my video.